Today we will discuss one of the argumentative essays. The topic is online class learning versus in-person class learning. We have entered into 21st century, but many of us are still not using the advanced technologies for learning. We have been introduced to online learning especially after COVID era. For the students, it was very hard to continue learning for academic year in COVID era. It could have stopped education completely. But as per the observation, after we came out of COVID era, online education didn't continue much. So in this argumentative essay, we are going to discuss the pros and cons of online education and simultaneously will find the reason for the failure of online classes. Before the COVID era, physical presence of both teacher and student was must. If any of the above missed the day, the learning was put to an end for a day or for many days also. It was a loss for the student. There was no option to conduct the classes. But after we have experienced many ways of online learning, there seems to be no hurdle for the same. But the question arises, why did it not continue ahead? The reason is, it is an option. It is not the permanent method for learning. In-person attention is always preferable for a child, since children lack the knowledge and totally dependent on the trainer or mentor or teacher. Secondly, some children are mischievous and not attentive to online classes. They easily learn the loopholes of muting the audios and closing the videos, which disrupts the online lecture. In online classes, children are beyond the control of teachers. In such cases, we realize the importance of in-person class. During in-person class, teachers can keep watch on children. The doubts or queries of children can be solved instantly by teacher. Teacher can help the students to improve the handwriting. Algebra and geometry sums where children need guidance to do the diagrams and graphs, it is always preferable to do it in front of the teacher. When children gather in a class, it gives them the company and boosts their spirit. Unity is taught to them, they learn the cooperation and the importance of sharing the knowledge with the others. Whereas in online class, all the above factors are missing. It may bring boredom to a child while learning. Online class can experience distraction. Suppose a child is taking the classes sitting at home. He or she is distracted by the noise of the family members in the house or maybe by pets or guests. While learning in actual classroom, student is the most attentive. Online education is good for the college-going students or for learning post-graduation studies, where the student understands the value of education and brings discipline to himself or herself. For younger students in the school, we cannot expect the above maturity. And in other fields of education, just like to do exercise like yoga and other physical workouts, it is comfortable to do at our own place. Taking the guidance of online teacher. Many people take online lectures for singing and dancing too. But if we take the survey from the people, in-person training in singing and dancing field is preferable. So after discussing the online versus in-person education, it implies that both can serve the purpose of educating the students, but the success depends on the age, maturity and affection of a student for learning. I hope after hearing the pros and cons, your brain also will think on it more. If you have your different opinions, let me know in the comments.